Some people it impresses, and some it shocks, but it's difficult to feel indifferent about modern architecture. Hidden behind it is the hard work of architects, designers, and builders. Established in 1989, Awbud Design and Build is one of the leading general contractors in Poland, comprehensively completing medium and large investment projects ranging from 20 to 150 million zlotys, annually working on 3 to 5 different projects ranging from public, commercial to industrial. Among their many clients are many well-known companies, such as Parkridge CE Retail, Unilever, PepsiCo, Skoten, Devoli, Hesco Lek, CMC Poland, Consortium Stali, Bre, Locum, Dom Developer, and Asseco Poland. The facility completed for Asseco Poland in Warsaw is a perfect example of a project using the highest standard of finishing and installation solutions. In building the headquarters of Asseco Poland at the Wilanów office park, Awbud Design and Build played the role of general contractor. The company workers, an 800-person team, including experienced project managers, engineers, reinforced concrete and installation specialists, is one of the largest technical and regulations in Poland. The guarantee of timely execution of work and high quality of service was the reason for choosing Awbud Design and Build, a comprehensive contractor for the project Asseco Poland. The investor, Asseco, is the largest developer of software and IT systems in Poland and is also among the top 10 in Europe. The character of the company had a significant influence on the office project.
Było powiedziane, to ma być takie Porsche, takie dobre, solidne Porsche.
It was said this should be like a Porsche, a very nice, solid Porsche. We are creating here one large office park. This is one of 18 buildings that are to be built in this area. From the beginning, the planning was very rigorous with many specific details how to develop the area surrounding the site. Almost half of the area is green. These are courtyards and parks. It wasn't easy to create the amount of office space the investors desired. We are building a Class A+ project. The expectations associated with this are very high. As a design team and as a whole company, Awbud has to meet these expectations. High quality is not the only expectation from clients of Awbud. Time is money. In case of such a demanding investment project, a detailed plan of execution is a priority set before our team. An ambitious goal for completion was set, and this was one of the key reasons Asseco chose Awbud. Awbud gave the most beneficial offer for 2 reasons. The first was cost, and the second was time. We chose Awbud, and we are very happy with our decision. We believe we could finish in time. Contractors and general contractor Awbud were also convinced. While in the beginning, the public doubted if such a project was doable within 21 months. Even more so if it was possible to complete the surrounding objects on time. That is why it was thought we had a very optimistic deadline.
Bardzo optymistyczny termin.
2 lata to jest zabójcze tempo, to było dokładnie...
2 years is not enough. It was not even 2 years, but only 20 months to finish the building project. That required enormous mobilization. The office building, for approximately 2,000 people, with an area of 39,000 square meters, includes 6 office segments sharing a single link, 2 underground condemnations, 3 above-ground condemnations. The first technical or technological problem was drainage for the foundation. The level of the groundwater was above the foundation. Drainage of the excavation area was necessary, as well as construction of an anti-filtration screen and slit diagram. We changed technology from bentonite materials to coatless hydro-isolation. We did not note any leaks. The next challenge was the elevation, which is enormous and prestigious. Some of the elements were specially designed for this construction, which made it unique. At its peak, there were over 300 people on the construction site at a time, and we can say that during construction, there was an average number of 200 people. The most important milestone was finishing of the reinforced concrete construction, so it was impossible to make elevation available for the workers of the facade. That was the thing that we did on time. The second milestone was finishing elevation works. And here as well, we were able to finish the work within time limitations. Some of the work was finished during winter. For example, reinforced concrete works. When the temperatures were low, we managed. We used electronic and oil heaters, so workers were making progress no matter what the temperature was outside. During construction, the customer introduced some changes. Originally, the building was designed to be an open space system, which means the office facilities were not separated. Other interior arrangements were also included further by adding access controls. The materials and subcontractors we used on the project were among the best. We only work with top quality professionals.
Na tym budynku jest kilka nowatorskich rozwiązań. Jednym z nich jest instalacja zasysania podpodłogowego.
In this building, there are many innovations. One of them is underfloor suction installation. It is included in the SSP installation. It prevents fires. This installation is used in technical flooring. It is used to detect any smoke. There are a number of low current and CCTV installations, alarm systems, and key depository. This system collects and assigns keys based on a database to certain people. There is a master key as well that lets one key open most of the doors of the building.
Jest również zastosowany system Master Key'a, który pozwala, taka ciekawostka, jednym kluczem otworzyć większość drzwi na tym budynku. Firma Asseco jest...
Asseco is a big computer company. The main facility in this building is the server room. It is really the heart of this building. There are a lot of expensive devices and important data. This facility is under particular supervision. There is SUG installation in this room. Those are fixed fire extinguishing devices which provide safety by letting extinguishing agents into the server room and choking the fire before it even starts.
Zapewniają bezpieczeństwo poprzez wypuszczenie środka gaśniczego do pomieszczenia serwerowni i tak naprawdę zduszenie już w zarodku powstałego pożaru.
In the server room, there is a very precise AC system, which ensures the proper temperature and humidity. The same solutions were introduced in UPS's facilities. In cases of an accident, the building is prepared in many ways. We have a double power supply. In case of voltage drop on one of the transformers, part of the load is taken over by the second transformer. If the external power supply fails, we have engine generators that are located on the roof of the building. In case of low fuel levels, it will automatically fill up with fuel. The truth is, if everything fails, we still have UPS power supply, and then we have between 15 and 30 minutes of UPS battery life. But that would be in very extreme situation. Interesting facts. In this building, there are 12 tons of batteries to sustain the server room. Also, for protecting the personnel of the building, we have introduced personal gates, which are located on the first floor as well as the garage.
Tak zwane bramki osobowe. Znajdują się one na poziomach garaży, jak i również na poziomie parteru.
Most of the installations located in the building are managed by BMS computer systems that allow, for example, programming and system management, leading to maximum functionality, comfort and safety, and most important, optimizes our maintenance costs.
Jeżeli mówimy o sukcesie, to trzeba pomyśleć o tak naprawdę 3 czy 4 aspektach.
If we talk about success, we need to think about 3 to 4 aspects. The first is positive financial record, which we managed to achieve. If it comes to time of realization, we were on time. We finished exactly on the 4th of June. Personally, I think that our additional success is the fact that no one got hurt during the construction process. OSH was on high level also.
Priorytetem od samego początku, który tutaj sobie narzucił cały zespół projektowy realizujący tą inwestycję, było zadowolenie klienta i to był przede wszystkim nasz cel. W odpowiedni sposób została tutaj dobrana kadra, wykonawcy, tak żeby...
The priority imposed by the whole team during realization of the investment was the satisfaction of the client. It was our goal. The personnel we selected in a proper way to match high expectations of the investor. I think that we achieved our goal, and the investor, by signing the certificate of completion on time, proved that we, the workers, and the company are trustworthy.
Wykonanie i poziom jakości jest zadowalający. Przy tak złożonym obiekcie trudno sobie wyobrazić, żebyśmy nie mieli uwag.
The execution and quality level is satisfactory. In such a complex construction, it's hard to imagine that there would be no comments. It's not a fault in itself, but a reaction that is important. And it is the right one, which is removing flaws systematically. We consistently inspect. We are at the construction site all the time, and there is no way we are surprised by standards or quality of the project. We highly recommend Awbud, and we highly recommend Mr. Grzegorz Szczygieł as the project manager on the site.